So are we going higher from this area which is almost around 270? This is a major question everyone asking to me, and what exactly you're looking in SLP, this is the other question. So guys, SLP launching a new games in upcoming quarter 1. This is crazy. They're launching a land game just like a sand and other, just like a decentralized manner. Metaverse just keep rising up. A lot of people, it's just $1 trillion gaming industry. So easy money, but again not a financial advice. So what exactly I'm looking right now in a metaverse token, just like SLP, Access Infinity, and what happened with the price. So let's dive into the chart right now. Okay, so if you look at the history of the SLP, you can see right now June 2020, the price which is almost around a 0.006 and then pump like crazy and reaching almost around this level, guys. Just look at this. This level, it's just pumping like crazy, almost around 2 cent. Look at this 2 cent. And then again dump like crazy. Pump and dump is happening in between, and then dump like crazy, reaching almost around 0.14. Just think about it. It's just giving a 5x return to the investor and holders, and then consolidate and just stuck in this area 0.14, and then rally goes on and on because bull market is just comes up that time. Every metaverse and every gaming coin just pump like crazy, reaching this level, all-time high 40x return investor and holders. And again it just dump like crazy, reaching this level 0.8 cent, and pump like crazy again to 0.34. Almost a 4x return is given to the investors and holders, and again dump like crazy, reaching almost around 0.31. Where is the support? This is the major question. Where is the support? The rally starting from 0.12, and it is stuck in the between almost a 0.350. That's why I just bought it almost on 100k, almost around this level, 3 cent. And again it's just dumping like crazy, making a lot of people sick, reaching almost around 270, even more. So last support which is I'm looking right now is SLP, which is almost around 0.237. And exactly we are in the same level. Look at this. That's why I'm just thinking it reaching almost this level. A lot of people say that if you look at the monthly time frame, a lot of people say this one is a resistance which is almost around 0.059. They're thinking this is the resistance. It should need to be break. This is a crypto, guys. If something is just pumped like crazy, we see a massive uptrend, and SLP history is way better. This one is a resistance which is I'm looking right now 0.13 cent. If somehow if it reaches this level, where is the average exit entry I'm looking right now in SLP? So average exit entry which I'm looking right now is a 0.011 cent in between, because there is a massive resistance in between. So it's reaching almost around 12 cent, but before hitting the 12 cent I'm going to exit out. This is what I'm just looking right now. And if it fall like crazy again, where is the support that time? So I'm looking at this is a support almost around 0.7 or 0.6, and that time I just grab again and just again pump like crazy, reaching almost around a 20 or even a 30 something. So this is a gaming token, not like other just project just dumping so hard, and Access Infinity volume is too high. Is if you look at the gaming industry market cap, which is almost around $30 billion, that's why the gala pump like crazy. $30 billion. If we think Access Infinity holding a big $1 billion gaming industry, that means the new games comes up, the more chances the subdomain which is we call SLP use case is just keep rising up. And we're predicting the SLP reaching almost around $1. Other question is came into your mind, if it reaching almost around $1, what about the supply? So they're giving a reward, they're generating a reward, there is some limit for that thing. Ethereum 2.0 coming up. They're resolving these issues, and that's why a lot of Ethereum is just burning like crazy, because they burn the token, they burn the coin Ethereum. The same thing happened with the subdomain as well. Access Infinity also be a part of Ethereum. It's work in Ethereum chain. SLP also be a part of Ethereum. So we see major changes in SLP in the upcoming year. That's why I'm just predicting it reaching almost around $1, even more, $1.5 or $2 maximum. Just predicting right now even more, because it's a crypto, so anything has happened. Might be it reaching over $5. This is what I'm just looking right now in SLP for future. That's why I just bought 100K. That time when it was around a 3 cent. And my total holding, which is almost around a 300K. 200K for the accumulation of the SLP, because price goes higher, I sell it. Price goes down, I just bought it. This is the strategy I'm going to play in SLP through index trading. So index trading is one of my best strategy to buying and selling coins. I never bought all coin at once. A lot of people say, why not bought at once? So this is a totally silly mistake every trader newbies just doing these days. They pour it at once. They're just hoping for the 2x return, 5x return, even more. They didn't even know what exactly index trading. So if you have $100, if you're thinking the price goes higher from that area, and you are very genius about everything, how this market is going on, how we make money, then it's good. Then you pour it for fun. But I'm not a genius in this market. That's why I just bought almost a 25% at 7 cent. I buy at 7 cent, 25%. Then it's just dumping like crazy. I think I have to wait for 15 or 20 days. And when I'm waiting for the 20 days, I see this is the drop. And again, it's just reaching this level. Why should I miss this opportunity? That's why I just poured it almost 100K. And the total holding, which is almost around 300K. Just think about it. And that's why I was thinking this is going to be crazy. Where is the support? So 11 cent, it need to be hold it. It need to be break it. Then it's going to the moon. The short term, we accumulating the SLP so many times in 1 year or in 2 years, 3 years. Because it's a big giant Access Infinity token, is it, And Access Infinity market cap is just so huge. It is stuck in between 3 days. Look at the market cap is stuck in 3 days. Look at this. There is no changes. A couple of days ago, we see a little slightly volume in SLP. Sounds scary, but you can see this is the averaging volume in daily volume, which is averaging right now, because it's almost around this much of quantity. This is crazy, but if it reach this much of volume, we accepting it reaching almost around 8 cent, 9 cent, or even 10 cent or 12 cent or 11 cent. Not 13 cent, I'm just looking right now, because 13 cent is last time it reached it, then it dumped like crazy. There is a massive sell wall. It need to be consolidated so long, just like creating a parabolic swing. Then I'm just thinking, yeah, this thing is going to the moon. If you get into the 4-hourly time frame, look at the 4-hourly time frame. It just consolidated so long in this area. Might be we see uptrend in SLP reaching almost around 300. About almost around 100K at 302. On other hand, if you look at the 1-day time frame, ready to explode it, but in the 1-day time frame, it's zipping the candle again and just creating a fear again. When the people thinking it's going down, that time I'm just looking some potential. It's very low. Look at this, very low. Accepting. It's showing some parabolic swing, and it's just filling the huge quantity of money in between. They accepting more. Just think about how much money they want. They pour it millions of dollars, so they accepting their millions of dollars doubled, not just to see this kind of things just reaching almost this level, so they require that type of support from community. So I'm looking a little bit potential in SLP, guys. Alright guys, so this is all about SLP related information. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe and press the bell icon, and wish you very happy new year again. And this month might be we see some potential in SLP, guys. Alright guys, thank you for